Some news just breaking from the IMF in Argentina, and what you're looking at is the Argentine finance minister speaking outside the embassy, announcing that the IMF is going to increase the size of its bailout package to Argentina. Total tab goes to $57 billion from $50 billion, and it's also letting them access that aid faster. It will now be able to access $19 billion by the end of 2019. Remember, this is a country that's in the middle of a currency crisis. A crisis of confidence. They've gone through 2 central bankers in the last 3 months, and there are a lot of questions about its debt and whether it could spark a debt crisis. The hope is from the leaders, Mr. Macri, who is here in the U.S. for the United Nations in New York, and also to negotiate this new terms of the bailout, that he can stem the slide in the currency. But of course, it comes with controversy. Once you're at the mercy of the IMF, you have to impose very strict fiscal rules to clean up the debt.
You mentioned the change in central bankers. The one this week was very much to allow this added bailout and therefore more restrictive terms from the IMF to happen. It was something that the previous central banker disagreed with, hence the change, and very much being driven this by Mr. Macri as opposed to anybody else in the government.
Sort of a reminder, Mike, that these emerging markets problems are still front and center, and there's no easy fix.
No easy fix at this point. The market seems to treat them as kind of isolated extreme cases, right? So it's not spillover, but yeah, it's hard to see exactly the path out for something like Argentina.